Welcome to Getting Sexy Back, the podcast where we explore the ingredients and tips to elevate your health and cooking. I'm Anna, your guide in this flavorful journey. Did you know that cayenne pepper can boost your metabolism and provide an array of health benefits? Or that it's a secret weapon to transform your recipes? Today, we're diving deep into the versatile and powerful world of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is not just any spice, it's a game changer. Packed with vital nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and capsaicin, it not only enhances flavors but can also support your immune system, improve digestion, and potentially lower inflammation. It's time to uncover how this common household ingredient can tackle your cooking challenges and heighten your meal's taste and nutritional value. We all know the struggle of frequenting the same old recipes and falling into a routine of bland meals. Many of us turn to salt or store-bought seasoning blends, but these often come with unwanted health drawbacks. That's where cayenne pepper steps in. It's an easily accessible ingredient that most people overlook, which can add that needed variety and complexity to your dishes without piling on the sodium. Let's explore the vast applications of cayenne pepper in different cuisines. In Indian, Mexican, and even some Italian dishes, this spice is a staple. Whether added fresh to a stir-fry, sprinkled into soups, or mixed into dressings, cayenne can elevate your culinary experience. Beyond its taste-enhancing abilities, cayenne pepper boasts numerous health perks. Capsaicin, the component that provides its heat, has been linked to pain relief, weight loss, and improving heart health. Incorporating just small amounts into your diet could help you reap these benefits daily. Here's something surprising. Cayenne pepper can significantly impact your metabolism. Studies have shown it can help you burn more calories and feel fuller longer, making it a great ally in maintaining a healthy weight. Imagine adding a pinch to your omelet or smoothie, and suddenly, you're not just eating to satiate hunger, but fueling your body efficiently. For an exciting recipe, try a spicy hot chocolate with a dash of cayenne. It's an unexpected twist that exemplifies how versatile this spice can be. To recap, cayenne pepper is a powerhouse ingredient that can enrich your meals with better flavor and health benefits. From enhancing food without extra salt to its potential anti-inflammatory effects, the significance of this fiery spice is undeniable. If you've enjoyed our deep dive into cayenne pepper, please share your own experiences and recipes in the comments. Don't forget to explore our channel for more on unique spices and how they can boost your cooking and health. Join us next time on Getting Sexy Back, where we continue to uncover secrets to enrich your kitchen and life. Stay spicy, everyone!